Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I will show you how to factory reset your device through recovery mode. And this process will remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know. So as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, we're going to want to power off our device. Once our phone turns off, you want to then hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So let's wait for it to fully power down. Okay, so there we go. Now that it's off, power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. This will boot us into the boot mode right here. So using only volume up, you want to select first option, so recovery mode, and press volume down to confirm that option. And from here you should see the Android with no command, although here it's written in Polish. But honestly, what is written doesn't really matter. Just pay attention to that little logo that you can see right here. And once you do, hold power key, press volume up once, and this will take you to the recovery mode, where you will find the option to actually format your device or factory reset it. So this time around, we can use both of the volume keys to navigate. And you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. And once it's selected, confirm it with power key. Again, let's select yes. And give it a second, it will give us data wipe complete at the bottom once it's finished. And then reboot system now will be selected by default, as you can see right here. So press power key once more. And this will initiate a reboot of the device while also continuing the process in the background. So this will possibly take like 5 minutes or so. Give it a little bit of time. Now I'll be back once we can actually see the setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.